Good evening, student. I taught the lesson zoology, higher secondary. Lesson reproductive in health. I talk about the class the female infertility. Infertility. The inability of conceivers to produce the children even after unprotected sexual cohabitation is called infertility. Okay. The woman or inability of a woman become the pregnant of maintain a pregnancy. எப்படி ஒரு பெண் கருவுறுதல் அடைஞ்சு தாய்மை அடைய முடியும்? எந்த தொழில்நுட்பம், the technology, the assisted reproductive technology, ART, a collection of procedures which include the handling of gametes and embryos outside the body of achieve pregnancy is now assisted reproductive technology. வெளிப்புற கருவுறுதல் எவ்வாறு நடைபெறும் என்றால் இந்த தொழில்நுட்பம் ART technician மெத்தடில் the use of the pregnancy a female woman. So the male man separate the cells, the sperm of the separate, so insect of the ovule of female DNA, the fertilization sake of the embryo. The technology is a use IUI. IUI what is meaning? In vitro fertilization. Next IVF. IVF embryo the transfer ET. ZIFT meaning zygote intrafallopian transfer. GIFT the gamete interfallopian transfer. ICSI meaning intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So types of the reproductive assistant technology method. The first IUI, intrauterine instrumentation. The pregnancy method, the naturally not pregnancy, this medicine way go to the hospital, the treatment of IUI method. Intrauterine insemination. Next IVF, the many more people the use of technology IVF technology. The fertilization girl go to the hospital, the treatment of IVF method. So good condition of ovule, the separate the outside of the period time, so remove the ovule. The male, the sperm is a collection, so ovule to sperm joined outer station only, no inner. So this technician method in vitro fertilization IVF method, many population the popular of the technology. Next one ZIFT zygoting intra the fallopian transfer. The fallopian is a IVF method zygote, the 8 blastomeres stage of transfer to the female, the ovule transfer of fallopian tube. The 8th stage of the cells developed the blastomere stage. So next transfer ZIFT zygote intrafallopian transfer method. Another one type the intrauterine transfer IUT. The embryo with more than 8 blastomere stages change the female the ovule or uterus. So gamete intrafallopian transfer GIFT gamete intrafallopian transfer, the transfer of the ovule collected from a donor into the fallopian tube, and this egg are collected from the ovaries and placed with the sperm one of the fallopian tubes. The zygote travel the female. Okay student, the pregnancy method, see the class.